To start up your word processor, click on the Start button, click All Programs. You'll have to drag your bar down to the bottom because we're looking for a folder called Microsoft Office. And inside that folder you'll see the green X is your Spreadsheet program. I just clicked on it, and now the spreadsheet should come up on the screen. There it is. The nice thing about spreadsheets is that you can type words in these, what they call cells. The cell that I'm looking at is called A1, and just below it is A2 and A3, and then there's B1 and B2 and B3. Let's say I type a title here like last name, and then first name, and a phone number. And I'm trying to make a list of maybe my golfing buddies, but notice last name doesn't fit quite in that column. So the nice thing about a spreadsheet is you can hover your mouse right between column A and B where you see that double arrow, and then just drag the column a little bigger, and then everything fits in nicely. Especially if I had a long name to type like Dombrowski, and a first name, and a phone number. I like to put a dash like after the 465. Let's say I'll have another White and John. I don't need capital letters particularly. And okay, so there's 3 names right now. The nice thing about the spreadsheet is that you can drag your mouse over that whole area and select up here. You can select boldface. See how much darker they are. You could pick a larger size of font, like say 14, and I like Arial black up in this area. I pick Arial black, so it's quite dark. But notice that the names don't fit in there anymore, so we need to adjust the column size again. And the phone number, oh yeah, and we still, okay, so now everything is good. One nice thing about listing names is that you can drag your mouse over that area, but you have to include the last name, first name, and the phone number. And up at the top there's a command called data. Don't know why they put it in there, but that's where you find the sort button. And when you click sort, it's okay. Then it asks you which column do you want to put in alphabetical order. So I usually go by first name, and I usually pick ascending order like A, B, C. But you could go descending order, or you could pick column B and have them arranged by last name in alphabetical order by last name, but I usually go with column A. Then I click OK and look carefully at the names. See, now they're all in alphabetical order: Black, Dombrowski, White, etc. So that might be, anyway, you can type anything you want in these cells. You can it should still be boldface within a certain area because I told it to be boldface. But if I get outside of that area, probably won't be boldface. See, that isn't boldface over there because, oh yeah, well, while I'm at it, you could highlight a certain area if you like colors. Like, you can go up to this little button and choose a color. Like green is kind of a favorite color, and whatever area you highlight, you can pick whatever color that you like for that area. I like that too. And this area, I might pick turquoise. So those are my favorite colors. I could probably do something else here, like I'll just go with capitals here. Let's go with this. So let's say I click that. Oh, and let's say that I had an error somewhere. Let's say, okay, that let's say I had an extra L in here, one or two, and that's not very great. So, and also, just to highlight that area, I'll just go with yellow, so you can see that's where the mistake is. Now, rather than try to correct it down here, you have to click at the beginning of the statement so that it shows up in this area up here, and that's where you have to do your corrections. You can't correct them down below. So you press backspace there or delete to get rid of those unwanted L's. Oops, slipped out. Too many L's. Okay. Funny that it's kind of on a slant, but now you can click your mouse down in this area here, and there's the corrected version there. Let me copy that. I'm just going to copy this sentence. I just go edit and copy, and then go up here and say edit and paste it up here. And then, since it's showing up above here, I could actually change the font color. So let's make it red. And then I click my mouse or just press, yeah, okay. Oh, it didn't make it red. How come? Oh, I didn't highlight it. That's the problem. I have to highlight the whole area before I can. That's a good point, because, and then this isn't Arial black either, and I like Arial black for sure. Oh yeah, it says it's Arial black, but yeah, okay, it says it's Arial black, so I can't make it any darker. I probably could. Oh yeah, I could underline that if I was an underline freak, but I don't usually underline anything, so I would just take that. You can cancel the underline by clicking on the button, and you could cancel the boldface by clicking once more. Then it's not boldface, so it says it's not boldface. But I like boldface, so I would click there. Okay.